How long until we get there? How many hours?
5 hours. I am in beach mode now.
Dad, you are wearing sunglasses. Inside.
The sun is always somewhere, Anna.
The color! I never saw this color. Fish! I can see fish from here. Fish! Right there! A yellow one! The wood is warm. Even the wood is warm. Wow! Just look at that! I want to go swimming! Last one in is a slow English learner. It is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. The ocean is warm!
Nobody is surprised. Nobody.
Perfect. Perfect. This is perfect.
I got that on video, all of it.
I meant to do that.
I was testing the depth.
He is orange. He is real. He looks like Nemo, Peter. The wave comes to you, David. You wait.
I am letting it come. It is choosing not to.
Wait, put your arms like this. You are the wave.
You are the wave. I understand now.
A side wave got him.
Different wave. Different wave.
I got it again, even better.
Good morning! Are you ready to see my reef?
Yes! Yes!
The reef is alive. Do not touch. Eyes only.
Eyes only. No touching. I understand. Wow, look at that! It is incredible!
Truly majestic, isn't it? A fish! A massive one! Blue! It looked at me! That is a Napoleon wrasse. He lives here. This reef is full of life.
Wow, look at that fish! The water is holding me.
Four towers, a wall, a moat.
We can do this. I do the base, you do the towers. You have sand on your eyelashes. Not finished. Cannot look yet. The sand absorbs it, Dad.
Every time!
It is not working.
I am solving it!
I filmed it. The whole thing.
I knew that was going to happen.
A baby turtle! A real one!
Wrong direction. He is finding his way. We watch only.
He made it. He is in the ocean now.
He will live 40 years. He will remember this. This will be the greatest sandcastle ever built, and we must defend it!
The sky has more colors than a crayon box. Much more. Many more. Dad, where is your camera?
In the room. Some things you just watch.
We are eating on the beach. The actual beach.
This is why we saved for 3 years. Is that a whole lobster? A whole one? The fish still has its face.
That is interesting. If I could eat this every day,
We are moving here. I am deciding right now. To the best holiday. To the best family. To the beach.
and to the baby turtle, wherever he is. Everything I found today. The starfish was the hardest to find. You need a bigger bag to take this home.
Welcome to our beautiful reef.
Do the manta rays sleep? Do they have a home?
They swim all night. The ocean is their home. All of it.
It is so dark. I can see the Milky Way. We never see this at home. All the lights.
The ocean has its own magic at night. Every single night, it's like a whole new world.
The water is glowing. It is actually glowing.
Bioluminescence, tiny living lights. The ocean makes its own stars.
I am making light. With my hands. In the ocean.
Look at them. I just unite.
I know. I am looking. Which one is closest? Which star?
The sun. The sun is a star. It is close enough to warm you.
Every star could have a family looking up at us. Peter, that is the most beautiful thought ever. For 1 week, the ocean is holding it for me. Comment below, have you been to the beach? What do you love most? Subscribe for more slow English stories. New stories every week. I will never forget this place. I really don't want to leave. Me neither. Best family vacation ever!
We will be back soon.